are grateful, oh God. Hi guys, it's your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today, as you can see, I am bringing you this flaky meat pie recipe for beginners. So let's go. So in a bowl, I add 6 cups of flour, salt to taste, sugar, and baking powder, of which you can omit, okay? Then I add a little turmeric powder, which is optional. Please note, I'm gonna list all the ingredients in the description box so you check it out, okay? So now we add 2 cups of margarine or butter, and we are gonna mix them so they incorporate into each other, okay? So we have something like this. So we make a well, and then we add an egg to it, which is also optional. So now I add some milk to it. I have mixed with water, and then I am making the pie dough. So we're gonna refrigerate this for about 30 minutes while we make our pie filling. So we have our ingredients here: mixed veggies, onions, and my minced meat. And then this is my own homemade adobo. I'll share the link up there. And then I add some corn starch to it. So family, let's go do this. So in a pot, I add some oil, my diced onions, minced meat, now I add my seasoning, some salt to taste, then I add my corn starch, some water for it to cook. Then I add my mixed veggies. Please note, family, I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's a dream of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified and be the first to watch, okay? So as you can see, our juicy meat pie filling is ready. So we set this aside, and then now we are gonna fill the dough of the pie. So we divide it into smaller size, then we knead and make the pie shape we want. So let's enjoy this, family. So at this point, we apply our egg wash at the tip of the dough, and then we add the filling. Just be mindful of the size you add to it, okay? And then we are sealing the pie to get the shape that we want. Here we are. So we're gonna repeat the same process for the remaining dough until we are done. So now that we are done with our pie filling, we are applying egg wash on the pie to get that yellowish brownish color, and then we're gonna create some hole for air to penetrate. Okay, so whilst doing this, I have preheated my oven to 180 degrees and I'm gonna bake this for about 20 to 30 minutes, family. And just look at that. Ta-da! Our golden meat pie is ready. Just follow the step-by-step recipe and you are good to go. Just look at it. It's so flaky and moist on the inside. Just look at that. It's delicious and finger licking. Just follow this step-by-step procedure as a beginner and make your own meat pie at home, okay? I hope you like this. If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, and please share so your family can also enjoy this goodness. Thank you guys. I love you. See ya. Bye bye.